Okay folks, welcome back. Here we are on another video. It's a nice warm sunny day, but I can't sit around in the shade all day doing nothing. So I've decided to dig out the trusty mower. So I put some fuel in, checked the oil, that was all okay. Started first time, amazing. So very pleased for that. And I'm just now cutting this grassy area you can see in this corner behind me. Almost finished it, but I'm going to do the rest of that and then move somewhere else. So follow me around the garden if you want to watch, but time to get the mower out and get some grass cut. So let's give that a go. Welcome back. So I've now moved over to a different corner of the garden behind me. I'm going to just tackle the easy bit today. There's a lot of obstacles and areas that I can't really get to with a mower that I need to go back with a trimmer for. But I'll mow the easy bits that I can today, and that will then at least deal with that for a week. Then I can look at the rest of it another day. So let's crack on. There we go. Looks better to me. If you can see the difference, it's almost got stripes. It's like it's nearly good enough to play a football World Cup match on. Well, maybe not. Molehills too many. But definitely looks better. So I'll show you a quick view around. Here we go. I can now see right way around. So it's looking a bit bald in patches where the moles have been digging holes and making earth mounds. But yeah, overall it's pretty good actually. It's come up well. It's a decent mower, which I like. It's easy to use, does a good job. Got that pile of twigs there in the middle, which is a frustration. Not sure why or how that got there, to be fair. I think possibly a gardener came in and there's another pile there, deposited some cuttings and they just stayed there. So another one of my jobs is to clear that. It's not much there really, but I've got to clear that and move that out the way. So there we are. That's my nearly ready football pitch. Not that I'm going to be playing football, but yeah, it's looking much better now. You can see the line where I've cut and where I haven't. As I say, that side gets more tricky. That's a strimmer job there, I think. But yeah, I've cut a line right through from here to the wall in the distance. You can probably see that. So yeah, that's good. I can easily get around through that way. All right. So there we go, folks. Thank you for watching another one of these videos. Appreciate your support. Every subscriber does help. So look forward to seeing you again soon on the next video. Take care then. Bye for now.